Hello, people experiencing a coolant leak on a Peugeot 1.6 HDI, Peugeot 207. Probably other 1.6 HDI engines have the same problem where this issue is. It could be for other engines, I don't know, but my engine is 1.6 HDI, so it could also be on Ford DLD or TDci. Basically, I have a coolant leak when the weather is very cold. In fact, the leak is not when the car is moving, I believe, but it's when the temperature, is below zero, and during the night I find coolant on the floor. Basically, I'm going to show you a picture of where the problem is. It's like a small thing which has a rubber. I will also mark it out on the picture, and I believe it only happens when the temperature is below zero, because the rubber gets, with temperature, even the plastic, it might get smaller, so it doesn't seal well, it might contract. And this thing is behind the engine. So if you are standing in front of the car looking at the engine, this will be behind. I will also try to make an exploded view of it. Will be behind the engine, and it's accessible from underneath. In fact, the mechanic, to fix it, he took off the plastic cover from underneath the engine, and we're searching for the leak, and we find this behind the engine, and he could access it from there, and he could pull it off. I didn't see him do it, but so it could also be from the top, but I believe it's from the bottom. It's more accessible. He just changed the rubber and makes some kind of sealant. He said this is only temporary, but maybe in 6 months you need to actually buy the original rubber, because it's better. I hope this will help you. If you had similar issues, let me know. Write it in the comments, so we will help each other.